digital product family, hope you guys are well. This store is a monster. This store, guys, smashed it, guys. It's an absolute beast. Fantastic, guys. And you know what? Let me just go down. It's only 4 listings. 4 listings, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look, all 4 on sale. 4 digital planners. 4. Now, I thought I was going to be looking at hundreds of listings. 4 listings, guys. And this store is making approximately, let me tell you now, guys, it's unbelievable. 50,260 for one of them. 23,100 for the second one. 1,272, 1,350 for the other third and the fourth. Now that is almost $80,000 a month, guys. Obviously, make sure that you know that it's a sale as well, so take that into account. Almost 80K. Now, the listing age is 10 months, 9 months, 5 and 4. Now, I can imagine the other 2 growing as well. They know what they're doing, guys. Now, before I get started with this, if you do love digital products, if you do love creating, selling, and all of that great stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos, guys, in your feed. Now, it is ridiculous. Now, let's go to that main seller. I've seen this product before, guys. Wait, hang on. Before I do that, let's just rewind just a piece. Let me just rewind, guys. 40,000 sales, 645, right? Reviews, 5,383. Look at the reviews. Look at the reviews. Beautiful. Learn from the reviews, guys. Just feel that energy. Now, everyone says, and even I say, let's get more listings. Get more listings. The more you get listings, the more chance the Etsy algorithm will help you out and you'll get those sales and you'll be out there. But this just dispels everything. 4 products, guys, and it's smashing it. Why is that? Because there's a demand for it, right? Now, we know that digital planners are a big niche. Massive, right? Demand is huge. You must know this. Now, demand is huge, but this particular seller is doing something right. And this is what we need to know. We need to learn from the best. I say it all the time. You know, never be shy. Never shy away from learning from the best. And it tells you, Etsy said it, best seller. Okay. Now, with regards to the title, with regards to the keywords, with regards to the tags, this seller knows what they're doing. With regards to the like I said, the mock-up, the window, when you're looking through the shop window and you want that cake, you're gonna want this digital planner too. This is what I'm talking about. So check this out, guys. Look at this video. This video is beautiful. It's cool. It's smooth. It shows you what you want to see. It's got lots included. It's a huge bundle. In a way, it's got a bundle without telling you it's a bundle. I love that. Showing you with simplicity, minimalism, creativity, exactly what you want to see. It's clear, guys. And you just want it. And that's what I'm saying to you. It's showing you what it's about. It's got clarity in what it's saying. It's a huge bundle. It's got everything all in one, and it's at a fantastic price. It knows how to get ranked. It knows how to get seen. Yes, this listing's been there for a while. Okay, been there for a while, but still doesn't matter. They know what they're doing, because even for the younger, the other listings that haven't been there as long, they're still building momentum. Okay, so this seller knows what they're doing. Look at this. Clarity in the images. What does it have and how does it have it? Boom. There you go. There you go. There you go. Straight, clear. Now these are all lessons and these are all tips, guys. You got to learn. You got to make sure you got clarity. First of all, there needs to be a demand for this product that you're going to sell. Is there demand? Yes. Next thing is, how can I show the clarity within the product? Is the product clear? Do you know what you're buying? Yes. Are you getting ranked? How's the SEO? Yes. Title, tags, description, all of these contribute. Is it clear in the digital download what you're getting? Well, this tells you what you're going to get. It tells you everything, what's included, the layout, the bonuses, the wellness tree. Look at this. I love this, guys. The wellness tracker, habit tracker, mood tracker, sleep tracker, dream tracker, reading tracker, wheel of life, custom planner, water tracker, step tracker, workout log, fitness log. It's ticking all the boxes. This seller knows what they're doing. They know what people want. They know what people are looking for. Look, I've got a finance tracker. Now, these are things that people look for separately. But what this seller's done, they put everything in one. Look how many things it's got. It's got different types of trackers for different people, so that you can customize it to what you want for the individual. And this is what it is. It's about serving the individual. It's about giving the person what they want. Okay? So this is how you do it. You tick the boxes. You're ticking the boxes for that people want. So when we come to analyze the listing, right? Remember, guys, analyzing anything will be able to help you rank. Check out SEO software that I love to use, which is EVERBEE. Check the link in my description with everything that I use. Now check it out. Like I said, estimated monthly. We looked at this before. 50,260. 10 months listing. To be honest, it's been there for a bit, but it's not huge. I mean, yes, 10 months is long in this world. Why is someone ringing me now? Someone keeps ringing me. Anyways, sorry to interrupt. The tags. Look at these tags. They know what they're doing. To 2020. Look at the volume. See, with digital planners, there's a lot of volume. 5,228 for a 2023 digital planner. Android planner, 1,927. Daily planner, 4,682. Calendar, 3,197. Digital notebook, 3,000. There's a lot of searches for digital planners, right? I grant you that. So this seller knows what they're doing because they're ticking the boxes for almost all the searches that people are looking for, and they've got it. So they've literally, if you're looking at a niche, you want to be able to tick the boxes for what that person wants. So let's say you're looking at a bit of wall art and you want to say, okay, I'm going to try and provide different angles to this wall art, right? What I mean by that is you'll provide some kind of design. You might also do a custom version because look, the custom version for anything is massive. You might then integrate something called Printify, so you get print on demand and they can get the physical product shipped to them. So what I'm saying is, with any niche that you look at, you need to find different ways of getting that passive income through different sources, through that one niche. Okay? It's about maximizing. And so this seller is maximizing to the max. And this is what you need to do. You also need to look and see how you're going to maximize. And then it's about getting that SEO and making sure your tags, all your keywords are absolutely smashing it, and getting that conversion, right? When you got a video like this, when you got explanation images, when you got mock-up like this, you have clarity in what you're selling. Because not only do you get people through the door to be able to see that they want the product, you have to finish the sale. You have to close that sale. And how you close that sale with many different things. Now they've got a sale, which is fantastic, 70% off sale. So that's massive, guys. That's huge. When they're looking at getting value, it's about value. When they're looking at a massive bundle like this, and they can see that they're getting a huge amount of value with all these added trackers and all these various different, look at these, wellness trackers, health and fitness tracker, finance trackers. They can see they're getting value. And then on top of that, to close the sale, they've got 70% sale. Boom. There you go. That's like there's a no-brainer. You're going to do it. So This seller has done fantastically well, amazingly well, and this is what we should be looking at as inspiration to how to close and get that fantastic sale. When you're looking at getting approximately $80,000 a month, right? $80,000 a month, guys. That is like about, imagine how much that is in a year. It's crazy, right? It's crazy. It's almost a mil, right? So anyways, guys, I'm going to leave you with that thought. So if you love this video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to check out my playlist. Don't forget to check out links in my description. Don't forget to check out the 2 videos that are coming up next. And guys, I shall see you on the next video.